Happy Funky Friday on the railroad, folks.
I hear it.
Yes, I do too. I hear something. Now, rail fanning birds up there. It is pretty cold out here on Funky Friday. But we're coming to do our due diligence. And that is to bring you some trains. It is funky. And here we go, folks. Check it out. Rail fanning vibes is in full effect. It's Funky Friday on the railroad. Rail fans, and it is cold out here. We're posted up here in Dayton, Ohio, and Washington Street, along with, once again, our shivering rail fanning birds up top. But if they can do it, we can do it here. Rail fanning vibes in full effect. He should be just about getting close here pretty soon. He's coming up that side and pretty slow. Alright, here we go. It's showtime. It's showtime, folks. Where you guys going up there? Get back here. Oh, the Bela Lugosi horn didn't, He's a grizzly bear, too, on the lead. Thanks for tuning in, folks, to another RFB video production. Happy Funky Friday once again to you on the railroad, on Rail Fanning Vibes. On YouTube. It's cold out here once again, so you say you want a rail fan, huh? Rail fan in all elements. So once again, we gotta take care of our peeps. Our viewers, you're very important to us. At least you are a Rail Fanning Vibe. That freight train right here, folks. Take a look at these tankers. Whoa. Side look. Their black card is 1075. Could be considered hazardous. Drop a comment below. Here comes the end of our northbound CSX freight. Like, share, subscribe. As always, Buckeye Freight Railing over there, taking care of business. All right, folks. We got more funky. Got some more funkiness on the way, so stay tuned.